people. Come in. Yeah. So we got the Red Rock Casino, man. We made it to Vegas. It's beautiful out here, man. Your boy OtakuTeez. Give y'all a room tour. So we gonna come to the bathroom first, man. Check this out, luxury, beautiful. Look at the floor, man. Look at the floor, amazing. So beautiful. You got the his and hers sink right here, you know. Got the little amenities, of course. Got a massage bar. Just in case it's what you like to do, you know. Come on, get this, man. Get this beautiful tub, man. Guys, let me get in here. Look at this. Oh, come on now. Come on, this is how I can go. Yeah, man, I love this tub. Can't wait to get in here. It's beautiful. Up in here, what's this? Just in case, you know, use the bathroom in the privacies, you know. Next, we got the shower. Come on, man. Let me settle up in here. Yeah, so for size, reference, I'm like 5'5", and you know, arm length. That's kind of what you're working with. But yeah, man. Look at that. Yeah, man, it's beautiful. All right. So this is the two queen luxury canyon view suite. As you can see, we got these two beautiful beds. So lovely, man. Go to sleep for days in here. But yeah, man, we got the two beds right here. We got the desk area, so you know when to edit my videos while we're on vacation. This is where I'll be doing it at. Bluetooth speaker over there. You see the TV, you know, something like that, something slight. You know, you already know about the bar. Touch it if you want, but to get the much awaited, what you want to see, go ahead and hit that. Get up, come on. Alright. Yeah. Look at that, man. So this is the canyon view. We got the pool down there as well. So if we do stay here at Red Rock Casino, canyon view, this is kind of pretty much the side that you want to get. I personally prefer this side over the strip view. Just nature. It's a nice getaway. You know, I came from the city. You know, I want to get away from that. So we want to see nature and things such. So that's pretty much the Red Rock Canyon two queen canyon view room. That's it.